Hi guys, this is John.
And Patrick.
And this is Recipe for Disaster. So the other day here, some psychopath mentioned that they like peanut butter and jelly hot dogs. I mean, it sounds absolutely disgusting. It looks less appetizing than it even sounded. Doesn't smell good, doesn't look good. I can't imagine this having any chance, but they swear by it, and we're gonna give it a shot. Which one do you want?
Oh, geez. I don't know. I mean, I loved hot dogs as a kid, but I was a kid that didn't even have jelly on his peanut butter sandwiches. I was just...
You just like the peanut butter? Straight peanut butter?
Crunchy, whatever. Doesn't matter to me, but jelly... I like it now just enough, but on a meat product, I don't know. So we'll find out. I want the one with the... I don't know, they both look pretty disgusting, so yeah. I'll just take one closest to me.
All right. So big bite is the rule.
All right, cheers.
Go.
I don't know about you, I really like that.
Once the jelly kicks in...
It almost pulls out more flavor of the meat. You get a lot of almost smoky flavor from the meat now. That might just be how we made it. Mm-hmm. I requested these very charred, and I think for
our smoker, not bad.
It's a lot earlier in the morning than we're making it seem. It's a little bit before breakfast right now.
Yeah, it's a little early for hot dogs. But these are the hot dogs. Our hot dog unit made these from that. And I'm going to say that's pretty good.
Yeah. I mean, that's definitely not a disaster. I think that could work with any kind of jelly, whatever you prefer, peanut butter, different textures and stuff like that. Maybe I've even seen the peanut butter and jelly where it's a combo, maybe just slather that on. Yep. I think kids would get a kick out of it maybe around a campfire or something like that, just really spruce it up, make it seem interesting and fun. But for me, it's not a disaster. I would not really pull it out at an adult party and just start throwing it on hot dogs. Hey guys, what do you think of this? Yeah, and then but
what about on hamburgers?
Ooh, I could imagine this with even like some bacon on there and stuff. Just maybe even caramelized onion, just to really bring out the sweetness. Have a super sweet burger or something like that.
Yeah. Stay
tuned. That might be what we do next now. But for me, not a disaster. What about you?
Absolutely not. No, I went into this fully expecting to hate that. I mean, like I said, it didn't look, smell, sound appetizing. Nothing about it appealed to me. And I'm sure you can see my reaction. The first bite, I was super confused. I was like, what is going on? But then you get that sweetness from the jelly, and the creaminess from the peanut butter, it worked.
It's got every component, like nothing, we assumed it being together would be gross.
Right.
Everything individually, peanut butter, jelly, hot dogs, awesome.
Yep.
Together, not bad, actually really, really good. So.
Yeah, so if you want to try something different, give this a shot. It's our hot dog and bologna seasoning, regular jelly, regular creamy peanut butter. Try throwing some bacon on it or try it on a burger. I'm assuming it'd be great on that too. And thank you for filling in. Austin's on vacation, so we wanted to do one for you guys for the week. And we'll see you next time. As always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and visit waltonsinc.com and meatgistics.com to find everything but the meat. Subscribe to Walton's YouTube channel to watch more amazing videos, or shop at waltonsinc.com to find everything but the meat. Watch our latest sales and giveaway video by clicking here, or watch another hand-picked video by clicking here.